We'll guide you through how to convert a video to an MP4. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're in this situation of where you want to go and make a video file into an MP4. We're going to guide you through this step by step so you know exactly what you need to do. It's quite common that you're trying to go and upload it somewhere and the format is required to be an MP4. It's a highly used and popular format. So I've got a format here which is .ts. Yours will be something different, it doesn't matter. And we're going to go and make this into an MP4. So the application we're going to be using in order to do this is highly compatible with pretty much every video file out there, or format I should say. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and get it and use it. It's free and open source, by the way, and trusted. So open up a web browser of your choice, and the tool is actually called Handbrake. You may have heard it before. It's great for reducing and compressing video file size as well. So here it is, handbrake.fr. Open source video transcoder, so we can come to it. Here we can go and find the download button, which you can go and click, and it'll go and download. It has been blocked. We'll click on it and press download a verified file. It's now completed. And then what we can do is come and open up our downloads folder in our file explorer, and here is the installer. So we can go and double click on it and we can go and run it like so. You can go and see here, mine is already installed, but you want to go and install it like any other application. I'll just go and quit this for now. Now, what you can do is press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in Handbrake like this, and we want to go and find it. So I'll go and click on Handbrake, and now it's going to go and open up. So what we're going to do here is go and press open video file to the left. If you've got a big folder, you can actually go and do it all at once. And then what you need to do is go and find it. So your file explorer will open. I've actually got it on my desktop so I can easily find it, but use it and navigate it, select it and press open. Now it's going to go and scan it, as you can see. So first of all, of course, you want to come into format, make sure it's set to MP4. Next, you want to come along here so we can come into video. You can go and choose the quality. So you may want to go and keep it a placebo quality. This means the size won't really be reduced, but it's going to keep the quality the same. You can always go and reduce it. I like to go and keep it at about 23, 22. That'll still keep the quality really high. And for frame rate, I like to go have it at 60 as I record it at that, and I'll have it as constant. So they're the main video settings I go and change personally, and you should do the same just to go and keep it high. And then you want to come to save as at the bottom and press browse to the right, and you can then choose you want to go and save it. So I'm going to go and put this onto my desktop, and you can choose what it's called. I'm going to name this complete video.mp4. We can press save, and then to go and start it, press start encode at the top, and now go and wait for this to go and complete. You can go and see the progress at the bottom. The time that it takes will depend upon the length of the video. You can see it's now finished, and now it's an MP4. So if I go and hover over it, you can see this new one's 1.55 megabytes and the old one was 10. So it's actually a lot smaller as well.